Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a common skincare question, cleanser versus scrub. What's the real difference and which one is right for you? If you've ever been confused about whether to cleanse or scrub or wondered when to use each, stick around. We'll break down how both work, their benefits and which skin types they're best for. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which step your skincare routine might be missing. A cleanser is a gentle product designed to remove dirt, oil, makeup, and impurities from the surface of your skin. It is the first step in any skincare routine aimed at preparing your skin for the next treatments. Cleansers come in various forms: gel, foam, oil, and cream, making it easier for you to choose the one that fits your skin type. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, there is a cleanser out there for you. Its primary purpose is to clean your skin without stripping away the essential moisture barrier, which is critical for maintaining hydration. Cleansers are formulated to keep your skin soft, smooth, and free of environmental pollutants while balancing your skin's pH levels. On the other hand, a scrub is an exfoliating product that helps remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and promote skin renewal. The tiny granules or particles in a scrub physically slow off dead skin cells, revealing fresher, brighter skin underneath. Scrubs are perfect for people looking to improve their skin texture or tackle issues like dullness, blackheads, and uneven skin tone. However, unlike cleansers, scrubs should not be used daily. Overexfoliation can irritate the skin and cause micro tears, leading to inflammation. Scrubs are best used 1 to 3 times a week depending on your skin type and the intensity of the exfoliant. The main difference between a cleanser and a scrub is how they work on the skin. A cleanser focuses on clearing the surface from daily grime, makeup, and oil buildup, while a scrub dives deeper to remove dead skin cells and improve skin texture. Cleansers can be used daily, morning and night, to keep your skin fresh and balanced. Scrubs, however, should be used sparingly due to their abrasive nature. Another key difference lies in their texture and formulation. Cleansers are usually lightweight and smooth, making them gentle enough for everyday use, while scrubs contain gritty particles that provide the exfoliation action. This makes scrubs more effective for deeper skin treatments, but also more intense on the skin. If you have sensitive skin, you might want to opt for a gentler scrub or an enzyme-based exfoliant, which uses natural ingredients to dissolve dead skin cells without physical abrasion. The usage of these products depends on your skin type and needs. For daily skincare, especially if you wear makeup or live in a polluted environment, a cleanser is non-negotiable. A good cleanser can ensure that all the dirt, oil, and makeup residue is thoroughly washed away, preventing clogged pores and breakouts. If your skin is looking dull or feeling rough, it might be time to add a scrub into your routine. However, make sure to pick a scrub that matches your skin type. People with oily or acne-prone skin may benefit from a scrub with salicylic acid, which helps unclog pores, while those with dry or sensitive skin should look for hydrating scrubs with soothing ingredients like aloe vera or oatmeal. Always follow up with a moisturizer after exfoliating to protect and hydrate your newly revealed skin layer. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips. Let us know in the comments, are you team cleanser or team scrub? Or maybe both. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future skincare insights. Until next time, stay glowing!